6 wheels, extreme capability, and a luxury interior that feels unreal. This build takes overlanding to a whole new level. What you're looking at is not your grandpa's RV. This is a rolling fortress that also happens to be a luxury penthouse on wheels. Welcome to Budget Car Guide, where we explore the vehicles that push every boundary. Today, we're covering the 2026 to 2027 Toyota Warlord 6x6 Motorhome. Let's get into why this might be the most capable luxury Overlander ever built. The Warlord combines two seemingly contradictory philosophies: military-grade off-road capability and 5-star hotel luxury. The result is a vehicle that can take you to the most remote corners of the planet and let you live comfortably once you arrive. Built on Toyota's legendary platform, known for reliability and a global parts network, this is freedom without sacrifice. The exterior is wrapped in clean Arctic white with a boxy, muscular silhouette that means serious business. Up front, an aggressive Toyota hexagonal grille is flanked by multi-cluster LED headlights with sharp amber DRL strips. A futuristic, almost military face. The heavy-duty off-road bumper includes a mounted winch, dual round driving lights, and auxiliary lighting tucked into every corner. The body rides incredibly high on 6 massive mud-terrain tires with black beadlock rims. 6 wheels, all driven. The side profile reveals a long, tall living cabin with large tinted windows and multiple lockable storage compartments. Around back, a thick off-road bumper with D-ring shackles, a trailer hitch, and a full-size spare tire mounted on the rear door. Under the hood, a turbocharged diesel produces an estimated 350 to 400 horsepower with massive torque. The 6x6 drivetrain powers all 6 wheels simultaneously, featuring a multi-terrain selector, front and rear diff locks, and a low-range transfer case for extreme off-road conditions. The suspension combines fully independent front with reinforced multi-leaf rear, delivering both highway comfort and serious off-road capability. This is a vehicle that doesn't just handle difficult terrain, it seeks it out. Step inside, and the Warlord completely blows your mind. The living room features a massive white sectional sofa with warm amber LED underlighting, a glossy white round coffee table, light wood flooring, and a flat-screen TV embedded in a stunning backlit panel with gold trim accents. This feels like a high-end yacht interior. The kitchen is a full gourmet setup. Induction cooktop, stainless steel pull-out faucet sink, built-in double oven and microwave, integrated refrigerator, and overhead cabinets with flip-up acrylic doors. The dining area has an oval marble top table with brushed gold legs and sculptural cream upholstered chairs, set for 4 like a fine dining restaurant. The bedroom features a plush queen-size bed with premium white bedding, reading lamps, a padded fabric headboard, an upper bunk for extra guests, a ceiling cassette air conditioner, and built-in storage drawers underneath. The bathroom is compact but uncompromising. A full glass door shower cabin, wall-mounted flush toilet, vessel sink vanity, and mirrored medicine cabinet. Now, the question you've been waiting for. As a custom expedition build, pricing depends on configuration. Estimates land between $500,000 and $900,000 US, with fully loaded versions potentially crossing $1 million. Specialty RV lenders offer financing options. Many buyers treat this as a long-term investment, given Toyota's legendary reliability and the strong resale value of premium expedition vehicles. These are built to order, so early deposits are the way in. What makes the Warlord truly special is how it combines military-grade 6x6 capability with hotel-quality interior, something almost no other vehicle on Earth can claim. From the exterior bumpers to the interior marble dining table, the build quality is consistent, cohesive, and absolutely uncompromising. This isn't just built for travel. It's built for total freedom. For Budget Car Guide, the Toyota Warlord 6x6 Motorhome represents the ultimate expression of mobile luxury. Would you take this beast off-road or keep it as a luxury road tripper? Drop your answer below. Like and subscribe for more boundary-pushing vehicles.